There's a military government in Somalia at the time who was really taking away all the rights for every individuals. I was very much a political activist. I was arrested, tortured, and eventually led me to flee the country. That's why I came to the United States to get that safety.
The Immigrants' Rights and Human Trafficking program here at Boston University Law School is an innovative program combining work in the fields of immigrants' rights and human trafficking. We represent vulnerable populations, including refugees fleeing human rights abuses and survivors of human trafficking. So law students that are in the immigrants' rights focus will represent asylum seekers and special immigrant juveniles seeking protection and safety in the United States.
Our client, he had disabilities resulting from his treatment back in Somalia, which complicated both his story and the interactions that we could have with him.
We couldn't look at his legal issues in a vacuum. It was very, very important to us that we were addressing all of those concerns.
Students are really doing the work of real lawyers. They're acting under my supervision and my bar license, and we meet weekly to go over their cases and what's happening, to troubleshoot how they can best advocate for their client.
The most difficult part about this case was the establishing of trust with our client. We needed to very quickly build a relationship with him where he could share these very difficult details with us and be able to share that with the medical expert about his treatment back in Somalia, be able to share about his political beliefs with the country conditions expert.
They really took the time to understand my story, to work with me, to do more research, to find out how they can able to help me out. They built my confidence to prepare my case and helped me to gain my freedom finally. Freedom to live with dignity.
That moment where I told him that we had won his asylum case was extremely meaningful, extremely emotional. It was sort of a summation of the hard work that we'd done throughout the clinic.
That political asylum granted gave me the opportunity to see myself again as a free person. So for that, I will say thank you. This is a wonderful experience that I will never forget, and I don't know how to pay back.
Being a student attorney was a really exciting and eye-opening opportunity. When you're in the classroom and you're debating these issues, there's not a real human being that you're talking about, and that your personal decisions as a student can have an effect on that person's life.
Sarah really masters the balance between being there when we have issues or we need her assistance, but also giving us the independence to be confident in our ability to represent our clients. Being able to stand up in front of the judge and argue our case at his hearing, I think it was an amazing experience. And I think we grew so much in our ability to apply all of the knowledge that we learned to our case.